Hello and welcome to another weekly market update after the market closed on 31st of August 2018. Here's where we look at the long-term trend, the short-term trend, so that we're aligned for it, so we're prepared for our major investments and our short-term trades, everything from your pension to your home. It's all right here. So here's the S&P 500 going back for years now, as you can see along the bottom. Each up and down peg is a week of action. And the blue line here is the 40-week moving average to sort of help us keep a trend here. And as you can see, since my proprietary system said it was a bull market on 7th of November 2016, it's gone up ever since and had a well overdue and pronounced and prolonged correction the first half of this year, but now stuck to our guns, and the system did not say to get out, didn't say it was a bear market. And here we have a new weekly high right here. The market is poised to go higher, very aggressive angle here we see on the RSI pushing higher. Market, a lot of people again saying, oh, it's gone too high, it's going to come down. Well, we want it to come down, but a healthy correction is more the sort of thing here. But what's going to happen next? Is it going to get all carried away with itself like we saw in January, or going to be a bit more poised, so we will see. But there's no question about it, it is a bull market and has been since November 2016. I've been saying so ever since. Let's look at the short-term chart of S&P 500, see if we can get any clues about the short-term trend. And really, as I said last Monday, which was here, last week, which is about there, said it was going to go up, and it jumped up, stayed up, and built on what was a new high, which is very positive. What's going to happen next? It's hard to call the trend when it's very it's got a little bit extended. Not to say it can't keep going up, but the volume is there. I'm going to be cautiously optimistic and say the trend is higher. Keep an eye. We want to see this line here. I've got my line here about 28.75. That's that really needs to hold if the uptrend's going to continue for the short term. If it gets below that, then maybe we'll see. Corrections are healthy. We saw them around here, and at some point it's going to come down again. But we'll see the form of it. So it is a bull market as the long term. Short term, I'm going to say cautiously upwards. And I will speak to you next time.